Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu. In this video, we'll explore every facet of this midsize sedan, from its exterior design and interior comfort to its performance, technology, safety features, and overall value. Whether you're considering purchasing a new vehicle or simply staying informed about the latest automotive trends, this comprehensive overview will provide you with valuable insights into the 2025 Malibu. Let's begin by examining the exterior design of the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek and modern aesthetic. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving the car a distinctive and assertive look. The aerodynamic lines flow smoothly from the front to the rear, enhancing both the vehicle's visual appeal and its fuel efficiency. The available 18-inch alloy wheels and optional dual-pane power sunroof add a touch of sophistication, making the Malibu stand out in the crowded midsize sedan market. Moving inside, the 2025 Malibu offers a spacious and comfortable cabin designed with both driver and passengers in mind. High-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident throughout the interior. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide support during long drives, and the rear seats offer ample legroom, ensuring comfort for all occupants. The trunk boasts 15.7 cubic feet of cargo space, which is competitive for the segment, allowing you to carry luggage, groceries, or sports equipment with ease. Under the hood, the 2025 Malibu is equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 163 horsepower at 5,700 RPM and 184 pounds-to-feet of torque at 2,500 RPM. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, delivering smooth and efficient power to the front wheels. While the Malibu may not be the most exhilarating car to drive, it handles reasonably well, and occupants will appreciate the supple ride quality. The suspension system effectively absorbs road imperfections, providing a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the 2025 Malibu performs admirably. It achieves an EPA estimated 28 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. This balance of performance and efficiency ensures that you can enjoy spirited driving without frequent visits to the gas station. Technology and connectivity are at the forefront of the 2025 Malibu's interior features. The standard infotainment system includes an 8-inch touchscreen display with Chevrolet's MyLink interface, which is intuitive and user-friendly. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility come standard, allowing seamless integration of your smartphone for navigation, music, and hands-free calls. Available features such as a premium Bose audio system and wireless charging pad further enhance the driving experience, catering to tech-savvy consumers. Safety is a paramount consideration for Chevrolet, and the 2025 Malibu reflects this commitment with a comprehensive suite of safety features. Standard equipment includes a rear-view camera, forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. Optional safety features, such as adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, provide an extra layer of protection. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has awarded the 2025 Malibu a 5-star overall safety rating, underscoring its dedication to occupant safety. In terms of value, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu offers a compelling package. With a starting MSRP of approximately $24,700, it provides a blend of style, comfort, performance, and technology that is competitive within the midsize sedan segment. The availability of various trims and optional packages allows buyers to tailor the vehicle to their preferences and budget, ensuring that there's a Malibu for everyone. In conclusion, The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is a well-rounded midsize sedan that caters to a wide range of drivers. Its sleek exterior design, comfortable and tech-rich interior, balanced performance, and robust safety features make it a strong contender in its class. Whether you're a daily commuter seeking efficiency and comfort or a small family in need of space and safety, the Malibu is worth considering. We hope this comprehensive review has provided you with valuable insights into the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu, aiding you in making an informed decision for your next vehicle purchase. The backside of the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu showcases a refined and modern design that complements its sleek overall aesthetic. The rear fascia features clean lines and subtle curves, enhancing the car's aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining an elegant presence on the road. The LED taillights are slim and wrap around the sides, seamlessly integrating with the body and providing a sharp, contemporary look. These taillights not only improve visibility for other drivers but also add a touch of sophistication to the Malibu's rear design. The trunk lid is sculpted with a slight lip spoiler, giving the sedan a sporty yet classy appeal. The Chevrolet boaty emblem is centrally positioned between the taillights, reinforcing the brand's identity. Below the emblem, a discreet Malibu badge further emphasizes the model's name. The rear bumper is subtly contoured, housing integrated reflectors on both sides for added visibility and safety. For those looking for an extra touch of style, the RS trim adds unique blacked-out badging, a dual exhaust system with chrome tips, and a more aggressive rear diffuser, enhancing the sporty appeal of the vehicle. The higher Premier trim also offers additional chrome accents, giving the back of the Malibu a more upscale feel. A hands-free power trunk option is available on select trims, allowing for easy access when your hands are full. The trunk itself offers a generous 15.7 cubic feet of cargo space, providing ample room for luggage, groceries, or daily essentials. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu's rear design balances style, practicality, and modern aesthetics, making it an attractive choice for those who appreciate both function and form in a midsize sedan. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.